Good morning, class. Good morning once more. We as class 6, we are just continuing with our revision. So for today, class 6, we are going to do our best. Last time we solved mathematics from number 1 to number 40. But now we need to conclude what we started. Remember, there's something that we are forgetting. What is that? Somebody to remind me. Yes, very good. That is rooter. That is our formula for every sum. This one was studying for reading. The other one was for understanding. This one was for thinking. And actually this one for answering. Now, class 6, question number 41. That is where we are. Question number 41. What fraction is the figure below in its simplest form? The fraction of the shaded part in simplified form. In simplified form. Now, we have our drawing that is there. That is there. All right. Okay. We have our drawing that is there. That is there. Okay. These people have just shaded some you are told what is the fraction of the shaded part in simplified form. Now, before we continue, you need to use the formula rooter U for the studying. Just to see how many triangles are there inside that figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are 9. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 3. In the simplified form, it is by 3, 1 by 3 what? 3. So the shaded fraction in simplified form, it is 1 over 3. Question number 42. Question number 42. Number 42, that is where we are. Find perimeter. Find the perimeter. You have that figure drawn there. You have that figure drawn there, 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. Class 6. This sum is for baby class. For baby class. They know to count with the sticks. They know to count with the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can tell you that way. But for a class 6 pupil, failing this sum, I think I don't know what to say. Now, as you can see, perimeter is distance all the way round. Distance all the way round. Counting. U for understanding. We have just concluded. T for thinking. Let's start. Counting. 10 plus 6. What is 10 plus 6? 16. Very good. Plus 3. 19. Plus 2. 21. plus 3, 24, plus 4, 28. Now, that sum is so simple. We are saluting A for answering. So the answer is 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters. Question number 43. Question number 43. It states, Monsieur Khan, somebody called Monsieur Khan, delivers 32 liters of milk every day. Every day. To the factory every day. How many have liters? How many half liters did he deliver? Did he deliver in the month of what? January. Using our formula, that is router, you need to do this. R is for reading. You have already read. U for understanding. Now, how many days are there in January? January has how many days? Very good. That is 31. 31 days. These are for the January. Now, okay. This person called Monsieur Khan delivers 32 every day, meaning it is 32 times 31 to give the total number of liters 3 times, okay. Now, 2 times 1 is what? 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is what? 9. 992 liters. Now, how many half liters? How many half liters? T for thinking. Divide by a half. Divide by a half. Divide by a half. It is 992 times 2 over 1. 992 times 2, 4, 18, carry 1, 18, 19. So the answer is 1984 halves. 1984 halves. Question number 44. Question number 44. That is where we are. Which of the following angle is greater than all the others? Which of the following angles is greater than all the others? The first one is A, obtuse angle. Our B is reflex angle. Reflex angle, it's our B. Reflex angle. Our C is actually acute angle. And actually for our D, right angle. Using our formula, that is router, U for understanding. Now, U for understanding. Obtuse angle. Let's start with A. We talked of this in class 5. Obtuse meaning oppose. It is posing. It is posing. So, It is posing. It was standing, but it has posed. So it looks like that. It is more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 what? Degrees. Reflex. Reflex angle. That is where we are. Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Let's see. Now, reflex angle looks like this. Reflex angle. That is the reflex angle. Reflex angle is more than 90 degrees. It is again more than 180 degrees, but it is less than 360 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees. It is again more than 180, and again it is less than 360 degrees. We go to acute. It is shooting. A shoot. It is, so acute angle, it is 60 degrees. It can also be 30 degrees. It is less than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. D. Right angle. Right angle is more than 60 degrees. Right angle more than 60 degrees, but it is 90 degrees. It is less than 180 degrees. So here, who is ahead of the others? Who is more than 90 degrees? We have obtuse. We also have reflex. Who is more than 90 degrees? It is reflex only, no other. So our answer is reflex. Is the one that is bigger than the others. Question number 45. Question number 45, that is where we are. Number 45. Number 45, you are told that the table shows the scores of pupils in standard 5. Scores in standard 5 in an English test. We have marks 92, 90, 84, 80, 78, 72, 70. Number of pupils, we have 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5. Now, as you can just see, these pupils did an English test and they scored the following. Those who scored 92%, they were 2. Those who scored 90, it is only 1 person. Those who scored 84, it was 4. 80%, these pupils were only 3. 78%, they managed to be 2. Actually, 72%, they became 6. and last three 70%, then you have 5. How many pupils did the test? How many pupils did the test? How many pupils did the test? Number of pupils. You see, class 6. Sometimes when you just do these sums in an awkward way, you see, you make the teachers to be so annoyed. Imagine it is direct. 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3 plus 4. 7 plus 3. 10. Very good. Plus 2. 12. Plus 6. Yes, 18. Plus 5. 23. 23. How many pupils did the test? 23 pupils. It is as simple as that. Question number 46. Number 46. Number 46. That is where we are coming to the conclusion of the paper. Question number 46. Number 46, that is where we are heading. Class 6, I think you have learned something. You have learned something. Question number 46. How many weeks? How many weeks are there in 637 days? How many weeks are there in 637 days? Go back to the formula router. R for reading. We have already read. U for understanding. How many days are there in 1 week? Very good. 1 week has 7 days. What about 637 days? Cross multiply. 631. 37, not 31. 637 times 1 all over 7. All over 7. Now, you need to divide. 7 divided by 637. 7 times what equals 63? Very good. That is 7 times 9. 63. You drop this 7. 7 times what equals 7? 1. Because of 7. So it is 91. 91 weeks. 91 weeks. Question number 47. Number 47. Subtract 21.1 minus 6.5. Class 6, just see. Formula says router. R for reading. But as we are talking, we have already read. U for understanding. You need to align the numbers according to their right place value. To their right place value. There is a difference between tens and tenths, hundreds and hundredths. Now, so 21.1 minus 6.5. Now, 1, can it subtract 5? No. Borrow 1 from 1. So it remains 0. It becomes 11. 11 minus 5? 6. Point. 0, can it subtract 6? No. We Borrow 1, it becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Drop 1. The answer is 14.6. Question number 48. Number 48. That is where we are. Question number 48. Work out 7 shillings 90, not 90 but 91, I'm so sorry, 91 are the 70 cents. Okay, the sum is as easy as I don't know what to say. Okay, now we start from the right hand side towards the left hand side. This is a baby class sum. Okay, so we'll start from the other side. 7 divided by 70. 1 because of 7. This is 10 by the way because of 70. Dot dot meaning zeros. Now, this side is 4 cents. Now, 7 divide 91. I want to see the one who is going to get that. 91 divided by 7. Very good. Yeah, we have somebody who is so accurate. That is 13 because of 91. Okay, so the answer is shillings 13 and 10 cents. 13 and 10 cents. Question number 49. Number 49. Number 49. Number 49 states, what is the next number in the series? The first one, 96, 48, 24, 12, dash. A very simple sum. Just to see what is happening to the numbers. You see, when you are told to find the next number in the series, the number can be multiplied. The number can either be divided, it can be subtracted, it can also be doubled, it can also be squared, it can also be square rooted. Now, what is happening to the numbers here? They are decreasing by a half. Very good. Now, so when you decrease this number by a half, it becomes 40 what? 48. If you decrease 48 by a half, it becomes 24. Hi, somebody is not understanding. Divide by 2, it is going to give you 48. 48 divided by 2, it gives you 24. 24, you divide by 2, it gives you 12. Now, what is going to happen now to 12? 12, you divide by 2, it gives you theta. That is 6, is the answer. We are now in question number 50. Question number 50. That is where we are. That is where we are. Before I go to question number 50 being the last question, just to see 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 24 times 2, 48. 48 times 2 is 96. I think you need to understand that. Question number 50 is our last sum. What is the next shape? The next shape. The next shape. The next shape The next what? A shape. The next shape, we need to know the next shape. Okay, now, the first one starts with zeros, that is tuyai, and that one is the first one. The second one starts with makazi and the tuyai are the actually lines. We go to the C. C starts with the tumiti. And the tuyai foros actually are the X's. Now, the next pattern. Now, class 6, as you can see, are for reading. We have already read. Which one is the next shape? Or actually, you go to you for the study. Okay, we have started with 2 zeros. I think you can see. These are the ones that are here. This is 1. It comes here. It comes what? Here. Are we together? And it is the one that is here. I think you can see. This one, because it is following, it is going to come there. Are we together? Yes. So this one comes there. And this one comes there. Are we together? Yeah. And you can just see. This one comes here. Is it here? Yes. Now, okay. This one comes here. Is it here? Yes. Okay. This one, where is that? The lines. These lines. These lines, now they are going to come. Okay, this one straight. They are going to come where? Here. And finally, these small lines will come here. Now, let you see that when we are finished, we go to this one. I want you to see, if these zeros, they are here now, they are going to jump to here, followed by x's. Are we together? So if they are now here, they are going to go now here, the zeros. Are they there? Yes. Are we together? Now, it means in the next one, these zeros will go there. Let's draw them. They are going to be where? To be there. Yeah. Have we understood? Yes. Now, followed by the x's. X's, they are following the zeros, as you can see. As you can see, they are following, meaning they are at their back, waiting for the reply. Now, after the x's, what is following the x's? The x's are being followed by what? By these lines. By these what? Lines. So, these ones are there. Last 3, these ones are the last. Are we together? Yes. So now, we have come to the conclusion of our revision for mathematics. That is question 1 to question number 50. Just before I finish, I'd like to tell class 6 this information. Remember, handwork pays and never goes unrewarded. Please make sure you continue working hard for you to pass the exams, and so that when you go back to school, you will have something to deliver. Stay tuned to Uvoro TV. Goku Negwetu.